So I'm at Shildon Train Station. I apologise if water goes on the lens, it is raining. But this is the station for Shildon. Yeah. Bishop Auckland train in literally 15 minutes or so. And there's another bit of a platform on that side as well. I think what I'm going to do is just, because there's the bridge there, is I'm going to walk up onto that side, come to this side, and then go over there. So yeah, very nice. Simple station. That's all it needs to be. And I'm going to just walk up. What's that say? Hearty greetings from all at Shildon. I'm filming.
Filming what?
The station.
What?
The station.
Oh.
That was... Yeah, station. It's a bit odd. Huh. So I'm going to walk back to the centre now. Let's have a look. Trains to Bishop Auckland. This platform's down there. Trains to Middlesbrough, Saltburn on the other side. Let's have a look. Nice. I'm guessing by that no one's ever done what I've done before by doing this. That was weird. That was so weird. That was really strange. I'm filming the station, filming the platform and everything, and then suddenly that happened. Right? Right? Okay. So I apologise because there will be water on the camera lens. I don't actually really know what there is to Shildon. I just know there's one random female that's gonna get offended by you doing this, which is a bit odd. She must think no one ever does. It must be. She must think that this is a strange thing to do. Anyway, that might be the weirdest thing that's happened. Like, period. Like, wow. Okay. I think I can join back over this bridge and then go back onto that path bit down there and then go back over to the locomotion. Just what you doing? I'm filming the train station for a vlog, and she was like, why? And I'm like, because. And I'm like, well, there's the locomotion down the road and this is here, so put two and two together, or put one and one together. Oh dear. Right, I'm going to wrap the video up now. Oh yeah, so let's have a look. So I think I can go along that bridge there and down that path. Cool. So thanks for watching for now, and goodbye.